Is all you'll need for some delicious halloumi fritters. Some halloumi, of course, corn flour, or you can use plain flour, sparkling water, make sure it's sparkling, an egg and some seasoning. First thing we're going to do is slice your halloumi, so you can have it in slices like that, or if you prefer, cut them in half so you've got like chip type slices. With your cheese sliced up, it's time to get on with your batter. So into a mixing bowl, and a couple of tablespoons of your corn flour, pinch of salt, and some cracked black pepper. Then into there, you're going with about twice the amount of flour you've put in. Go in with your sparkling water. Once that's mixed in, don't worry that it's quite watery because you're making a tempura batter, so it wants to be quite watery. With everything ready, it's time to get your deep fat fryer up to speed. Wants to be about 190, same you'd do for chips or fries. If you haven't got a deep fat fryer, put some oil in a pan and get that heated up. Then it's in with your halloumi slice into an egg that you've mixed. Add a drop of water to your mixed egg as well. Into the flour, get it well coated. Into your batter mix and into your deep fat fryer. When they've had 3 or 4 minutes frying, time to turn them out onto some kitchen roll to let them drain. Then get your favourite dip out. I'd recommend yoghurt and mint and get stuck in.